Everybody, this is Ryan. Welcome back. Welcome to the investing channel. In today's video, I'm going to do a video update on SLP. I know it's been probably about a week, but I thought I would just check in with you guys periodically, let you guys know if I see any potential. I do see some for potential profits. So I'm going to share with you guys the chart. I'm going to let you guys know where I could jump in at, where I could exit at, and where the profit's at. So for those of you guys that are new, that's what I do. I jump into trades. I let you guys know my entry point and where I'm going to choose my exit. And more often than not, it comes around and it swings back up and hits that point. And I'll show you in a moment. You guys that don't believe, ye of little faith, keep watching. You're going to see some stuff you haven't seen before. I promise you. So you guys can follow me on my journey, okay? And you guys can also learn and see what I'm doing. Also, up here, the 4th Thinsman wallet giveaways this Sunday. So I'm going to be giving away one lucky winner. I'll have a drawing on air so you guys can see it. And I will mail it to you for free, okay? It's a Thin Men's wallet. And all you have to do, 2 little things, all I ask, is look down below the video right now, right over here, and there's a thumbs up icon. If you could click it with your mouse or tap it with your finger, if you're, sitting somewhere at a coffee shop, hopefully not wearing your mask, and you can tap it. And then also, somewhere down in the comments down below, just type the word wallet. That's it. If you guys want to tell me about a coin you're stuck in, and you're nervous and you're like, oh, I really feel like I should sell. I think I should sell. I think I have to sell. Let me know first. Let me know what coin you're stuck in on and what price you paid. And I'll take a look at it. And based upon my opinion only, not advice, just my opinion, I'll let you know if I think there's still potential chance, okay, of it swinging back up, okay? Because sometimes you're way up above the dip. So most of you guys, some of you guys have been up there. Other guys are usually within a range. Some of you guys have thanked me and said, man, you saved me a lot of money because I was getting ready to sell and you didn't sell, okay? So this is my ultimate dream here, is to get to a point where all I'm doing is I'm trading or day trading or crypto or stocks, and I could just travel around, sit at a coffee shop and do my trades and update you guys on the videos, okay? All right, let me share my screen with you. Let's keep moving. You guys are procrastinating. Just kidding. Okay, here's SLP on TradingView. And let me share with you guys what you're looking at, you guys that are newbies. I told you, you're going to see some stuff you haven't seen before, and you're about to right now, and you're going to want to subscribe. And if you don't subscribe down here in the right-hand corner right now, you're going to subscribe in just a few minutes. Trust me. Okay, so what I do is I come in here and I draw baselines all over. And what happens is price action drops those baselines at times, and then it comes back up. And what does that mean to you? Well, let me explain here. It broke this base right here. It came down, and then it swung up. Okay, so everyone that had bought up here and saw it drop and started freaking out, what did it do? It swung back up. So they didn't need to sell. But for me, I can come in here and I can buy in here. And then what do? I ride it back up to the take profit line and I take my profit. Okay, that's one. Okay, let me get rid of that. Beep, boop. Here's another one. It broke this baseline right here. Real quick, little one. Probably not a lot of potential there, but it broke it and came back up, right? Here's another one, broke it. Could have come in here down below and bought down here and swung up for the profit. Okay, there's another one. Here's one, it broke this base, it swung back up and took profit. It broke this base real quick, little one, came back up. Sometimes what I do is in a bull market, I'll buy when it breaks these bases. And then what does it do? It shoots down here. But what do? I sit back and I just go, all right, I'm going to wait. I'm not going to make a lot. I'm not going to make as much money as I had if I would have bought down here, but I'm still going to make money because I still see myself below the dip line. Okay. Okay. Here, let me show you some more examples. Right here, broke and came back up. It broke down here, swung up. It broke right there and swung up. It broke right there and swung up. It broke down here and swung up. It broke right there and swung up. It broke right there and swung up. It broke right there, swung back up. It cracked there, came back up. It cracked there and came back up. Nope, almost there. Almost came up. There it broke, came back up, broke down there, came back up. Okay. It broke there and came back up. It broke here, a bunch of lines, and it came back up. And over here, these ones that over here that it didn't come back yet, it came back up over here. Same with this line right here. It came up over here, okay? But you're like, okay, well, what about all these ones in this range, right? You're saying, well, where's that swing back up? Okay, well, that's because that's in the future. That's where it's going to be coming back up. So for me, I can come in here and I can buy anywhere in here and I can wait for the swing back up, because what does it do? More often than not, it swings back up, right? If it swings back up 9 out of 10 times, or 10 out of 10 times, then, you know, it's worth a gamble, right? For me, it is my advice or my opinion, not advice. Okay. So this is what I'm seeing. Let me share with you guys on a quick potential profit. Here's what I'm seeing. Here's where the price is right now, 0.0214 for me. And I have zero affiliation, zero owner interest in SLP at all. I'm just a guy like you. I don't work for the company. I don't work for any of these companies. I'm just a guy like you jumping into trades. Okay. So for me, I could jump in and I could just wait for the swing. All you guys were freaking out when it was over here and contacting me and saying, this is a shit coin. You know, this is never going to go anywhere. I'm losing all my money. I'm way up here. And then what did it do one day? Foom, went way up, right? And then everyone was all excited. And then it started dropping a little bit, but then it swung back up at times, right? It swung back up, it cracked and came back up. And that's what it's doing here. It's starting to make its way back up. Usually you have a big bump and then it drags down and then ultimately it lingers for a while, and then it starts to come back up. Okay. So you have to have patience. So here's potentials up here. And all these points right here are from here just up to this point. Any of these are take profit points for me. I could do up to this point. If I want to hold longer, if I'm like, hey, I got plenty of money and I'm willing to hold for 6 months or whatever, I could take profit here. And you guys can snap one of these, or you guys can write this down, 0.0561, 0.0619, 0.0693, 0.076. All right. So if this has been interesting to you so far, keep watching. But if you haven't subscribed, please do. Look in the bottom right-hand corner. There's a little red icon. It looks like a YouTube logo. Click it with your mouse and then smack the bell and choose all when it pops up. Okay. So the ultimate of all ultimates, the ultimate swing back right here is what I'm seeing, 0.25. That's on a long-term hold, guys. I don't even know if I want to hold that long. I could throw 500 or 1,000 in here and just, you know, wait a couple of years. It would be a really good profit. I mean, right now it's at 0.2. Okay. So I'd be making like 14% of my money, you know, roughly somewhere in there, or 14x on my money, not 14%. And then here's some other, the bottom here is at 0.137. So this is a mid to long-term hold. And then I just let it run. Okay. Let me show you guys my spreadsheet. I don't know if I showed you guys this. I think I did. I don't know if I did. I made this video and then I messed up. And so I thought, you know what, I just got to remake it. So what I do is I have this spreadsheet. I track all my trades. I come in here, and whenever I need to start a new trade, I just come in here and copy the last line once I filled out the entire spreadsheet. And then I just paste it here. And then I come in here and I change the coin. Let's say I go, what do I do? REN. I just took profit on REN right here. I did a video on it. You guys can go watch it. And then I want to say I want to put 1,000 in, and then I want to change my price to whatever it is. I'm just guessing 30, and I'll say 40, and it calculates out what my profit is here. Okay. So I just come in here and I do this, and I keep track of everything. I'm going to get rid of this because this information is, I don't want you guys to get sidelined by that. But here's like for this one, I jumped in at 450 on the 7th. It's the end of the month, you know, 3 weeks in. I jumped in at 0.36. I sold at 0.47, made 30% of my money. So, you know, if I would have put in 2,000 bucks, watch what happens over here. Boop. I would have made 596. Okay. But I didn't. I put in 450. But I got a lot of money in on these things, you know, and I'm just waiting for them to swing. I got all these ones that swing here. I got those cleared. I got more up here that have cleared. I got a whole bunch over here that have cleared. But if you guys want a copy of this spreadsheet so you guys can keep track of things, head over to my Instagram channel. It's called Investing Points with an S. And then click follow. Follow me there too, and subscribe over on the YouTube channel. And then you guys can come in here and you guys can look at other videos that I've done for other people like you that are watching this video right now that are saying, I'm stuck in on Matic. What do I do? All you have to do is, you know, is that right? I have to update that. Let's see. I don't think Matic's the last one I did. Deep. Oh, there it is. TLM. I just did this one this morning. Look at that count. 8,800. So you could come in here and say, oh, I'm on TLM, or I'm stuck on TLM. And you guys can see where I see as this range. Okay. And then you guys have a feeling doing the rest of your due diligence, you know where you're at. You guys can come in here and watch that. Okay. But anyway, if you want the copy of, God, I get sidetracked. If you want a copy of my spreadsheet, come over here, follow me, and then send me a DM and include your email address and just say, can you send me a copy of the spreadsheet? And I'll send it to you guys for free. Okay. What was I going to say? I think that's it. I'm keeping track of all the wallet people here that are asking for wallets. I think that might be it for this video. If you guys have friends that are into SLP, please send them a copy of this video so that they can watch it. Just grab the link at the top of this browser and send them a copy of it, okay? And remember to enter for that free wallet, okay? A thumbs up, all I need, and the word wallet somewhere down in the comments. Thanks, guys, for watching. You guys have a great day. I'll be doing more topics. I do have some other videos if you guys are interested. Over here, if you click on my username below the video, and then you click, it'll come here, and then you click on videos, it'll come to the full library, and you guys can watch on the wallet giveaways. I have the Bollinger Bands, Fibonacci retracements. Lower down at the very bottom, I have the one on the where'd you go? Ichimoku Cloud right here. That's a good strategy that I use. So some of these were like my first early videos, how to create an E-Trade account. I'll be doing more videos on other topics. It's just that those take a little bit longer to put together than these ones because I can just ramble it off. Okay, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later. I'm going to close this down and go watch some Netflix. All right, bye-bye.